Welcome, dear friends, to our exploration of the 12 universal spiritual laws that can guide us toward true enlightenment. Understanding and integrating these laws into our lives can transform our perception of reality and deepen our spiritual connections. Let's explore these profound principles together, seeing how they can illuminate our path and enhance our spiritual growth. The law of divine oneness. The first law we will explore is the law of divine oneness, which teaches us that everything in the universe is interconnected. From the smallest particle to the vastest galaxy, every part of the cosmos is linked. This law suggests that every thought, word, and action we choose has an impact not only on our lives but on the universe as a whole. Consider for a moment how your thoughts and actions might be influencing the world around you. Are they contributing to harmony or discord? This understanding encourages us to live more consciously, recognizing our role in the cosmic tapestry. The law of vibration. Next, we encounter the law of vibration. This law states that everything in the universe moves and vibrates. Nothing is static. Every atom in your body is vibrating at a specific frequency, and so is every thought and emotion. By raising our vibrational frequency through positive thoughts and emotions, we can align more closely with the universe's higher frequencies. This alignment can bring us closer to states of peace and enlightenment. How often do you tune into your own vibrational state? Are you vibrating at a frequency of love and peace, or one of fear and discord?
Click subscribe to this channel to get more profound spiritual lesson.
The law of correspondence. The law of correspondence tells us, as above, so below, as within, so without. This means that the happenings in our outer world are a reflection of our inner world. If we find chaos and confusion around us, it's crucial to look within and see what might be causing this manifestation in our external environment. This law serves as a mirror, reflecting back to us what we may not always recognize within ourselves. It invites us to create internal harmony if we wish to see it reflected in the world around us. The law of attraction. One of the most popular and discussed spiritual laws is the law of attraction. It suggests that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on. Positive thoughts will attract positive outcomes, while negative thoughts will bring about negative results. This law empowers us to take control of our lives by consciously directing our thoughts and emotions towards our desired outcomes. How diligently do you monitor your thoughts and focus? Are you consistently envisioning the best for yourself and others? The law of inspired action. While the law of attraction emphasizes the importance of thought and emotion, the law of inspired action reminds us that these must be paired with action. It's not enough to simply wish for something. We must also take deliberate steps towards making our desires a reality. This law encourages us to seek inspiration and act on it, trusting that the universe will meet us halfway. Reflect on the last time you felt a powerful urge to act, a moment when you were inspired. Did you follow through on this inspiration, and what was the outcome? The law of perpetual transmutation of energy. This powerful law teaches us that we have the ability to change the conditions of our lives. Higher vibrational energies will always consume and transform lower energies. This is encouraging because it means we can change the negative conditions in our lives by elevating our energy. This law challenges us to rise above our current circumstances and transform our lives through the power of high vibrational living. How often do you find yourself elevating your energy consciously, and how does this transform your circumstances? The law of cause and effect. Often referred to as the law of karma, the law of cause and effect states that every action has a corresponding reaction. This law ensures that the universe remains balanced and just. It teaches us that our actions and decisions have significant consequences, and thus, we must act responsibly and ethically. Have you noticed patterns in your life that could be explained by this law? How might understanding this law change the way you make decisions? The law of compensation. This law is an extension of the law of cause and effect and pertains to the blessings and abundance that are bestowed upon us. The law of compensation ensures that we are rewarded for the good we do and the energy we put out into the world. This doesn't only apply to monetary compensation, but also to gifts of friendship, love, and opportunities. Our universe operates on a balance, ensuring that the energy we emit through our thoughts, actions, and intentions eventually comes back to us in some form. This invites us to question, what kinds of energies are we sending out? Are they worthy of the rewards we wish to receive? The law of relativity. Each life obstacle we encounter is an opportunity for growth, and this law helps us to see that every person will face challenges. These challenges are specific to each individual and are meant to strengthen us and help us to evolve spiritually. The law of relativity teaches us to compare our challenges to others' challenges and put everything into proper perspective. We should see our adversities as being neither better nor worse than what others face, but as a means to develop our inner strength. How do you view the challenges that arise in your life? Do you see them as insurmountable, or do you view them as opportunities to grow? The law of polarity. This law states that everything has an opposite. Hot cannot exist without cold. Good cannot exist without bad, as they are the same thing but on different poles. There is a spectrum in everything, and the existence of these opposites allows us to experience life fully and to make choices. Understanding this law can help us to deal with life's ups and downs by realizing that they are natural and that the existence of undesirable circumstances provides a context for the pleasant times. Our ability to perceive and experience one condition over another can often just be a matter of shifting our perspective. What aspects of your life currently seem polarized, and how might shifting your perspective reveal a different reality? The law of rhythm. Everything in this universe has a rhythm or a cycle. It ebbs and flows. Just like the seasons change and the tides rise and fall, life has its periods of creation and decomposition. Our lives, too, have natural cycles of ups and downs. By understanding this law, we can better prepare for the changing cycles and learn not to get too discouraged by the down times, knowing that, in time, they will rise again. How well do you flow with the cycles of your own life? Do you resist during down periods, or do you use these times for growth and preparation? The law of gender. This law states that everything has masculine and feminine energies, yang and yin. These energies are always at play and are necessary for creation in all areas of life. Balancing these energies is crucial to becoming enlightened and achieving harmony in life. Our society often values masculine energy more, but it is the nurturing, receptive, and intuitive feminine energy that is needed for true spiritual growth. How balanced do you feel in terms of these energies? Are you able to harness both your masculine and feminine aspects equally well? The law of transcendence. As we approach the culmination of our understanding of these laws, the law of transcendence invites us to go beyond our limitations and previous achievements to reach higher states of consciousness and existence. This law is about surpassing the physical and material to experience a profound connection with the spiritual. Every step we take in understanding and applying the previous 11 laws prepares us for this final transcendence. What steps are you taking to transcend your current spiritual and physical boundaries? How are you preparing yourself for a higher state of being? In wrapping up this part of our exploration, we see how these laws interconnect and build upon one another, creating a framework through which we can view the universe and our place within it. Each law not only offers guidance but also challenges us to grow and evolve in our spiritual journeys. By understanding and applying these laws, we truly can align ourselves with the cosmos and move towards enlightenment. What have you learned so far that has shifted your perspective or deepened your understanding of the universe? How will you implement these insights into your daily life to foster a deeper connection with the cosmos and those around you? The law of infinite possibilities. As we continue our journey through the universal spiritual laws, we encounter the law of infinite possibilities. This law challenges the boundaries of our imagination and invites us to consider that anything and everything is possible. The universe is limitless, and so are the potentials and opportunities available to us. This law encourages us to open our minds and hearts to the unforeseen and the unimaginable. It asks us to break free from the constraints of our past conditioning and societal norms. What would you attempt if you truly believed that there were infinite possibilities available to you? The law of intention and desire. In the fabric of consciousness, intention is the thread that weaves our future. According to the law of intention and desire, when we focus our attention on a deeply held intention and marry it to a passionate desire, we set in motion the energies needed to manifest our aspirations. This law teaches us the power of focused thought combined with emotional energy. It is crucial to be clear about what we desire and then to imbue that desire with the pure energy of our intention. Are your intentions and desires in alignment? And how might realigning them change your path? The law of detachment. Walking hand in hand with the law of intention and desire is the law of detachment. This law states that in order to truly manifest our desires, we must detach from the outcome. It is a paradoxical truth that, by letting go, we allow the universe to work in the mysterious and wondrous ways it knows best. The law of detachment teaches us that our attachment to the outcome or the way in which our desires manifest can actually hinder the process. How does the idea of detachment resonate with you? Can you think of a time when letting go of your attachment to a specific outcome resulted in something unexpectedly beneficial? The law of authenticity. The law of authenticity requires us to be true to ourselves and live our truth. In a world where pressures to conform are strong, this law serves as a reminder that our true power lies in our uniqueness and individuality. Each of us has a light to shine and a gift to share with the world, and it is only by being authentically ourselves that we can fully share these gifts. This law also implies that the external roles we assume and the masks we wear do not define our true essence. How often do you feel you are living authentically? What masks do you wear that might be hiding your true self? The law of giving and receiving. This law highlights the balance between giving and receiving. In the universe, these two actions are different aspects of the flow of energy. To sustain harmony in our lives, we must ensure that we are as open to receiving as we are to giving. Many of us are better at one than the other, but mastering both is essential for accessing the abundance of the universe. This law teaches us that the act of giving must be joyful and done without the expectation of return, a pure act of love. Meanwhile, receiving should be embraced with gratitude and humility. Reflect on your own life balance. Do you find it easier to give or to receive? How might addressing this balance affect your life? The law of unity. Finally, we explore the law of unity, which teaches that at the deepest level, all things in the universe are connected and one. This law invites us to see beyond the illusions of separation created by the ego and to recognize the interconnectedness of all life. By embracing this unity, we can overcome feelings of isolation, competition, and division. This understanding fosters compassion, empathy, and a profound sense of peace. It is by embracing our interconnectedness with all things that we find true enlightenment. How do you perceive your connection to others and the world around you? How might deepening this sense of connection enhance your spiritual journey? As we conclude this exploration of the 12 universal spiritual laws, it's important to reflect on how each law interweaves with the others, offering a holistic framework for understanding and growth. These laws are not just philosophical concepts, but are practical tools that can guide our daily actions, decisions, and interactions. By integrating these laws into our lives, we not only move closer to personal enlightenment, but also contribute to the collective elevation of consciousness. As we move forward, let's carry these insights with us, applying them to our lives in meaningful ways. Each step we take in awareness and understanding brings us closer to the harmonious existence we seek, both within ourselves and with the world around us. How will you begin to apply these laws today? How will they change the way you view your life and your interactions with the universe? The law of mirroring. The law of mirroring suggests that the external world reflects our internal state, serving as a mirror to our own thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. This law teaches us that if we encounter recurring patterns or challenges, it's beneficial to look within ourselves to find the source of these reflections. By understanding and adjusting our internal state, we can influence the external circumstances we experience. This law encourages self-awareness and introspection as tools for personal growth and transformation. What aspects of your life might be reflecting your internal beliefs and emotions? How can you use this insight to foster change and growth? The law of synchronicity. According to the law of synchronicity, events in our lives are not random but are meaningful coincidences occurring at just the right moment. These synchronicities are signals from the universe, guiding us, affirming our thoughts, or offering insights. This law underscores the interconnectedness of all things and the underlying harmony and direction within the apparent chaos of the world. Recognizing and appreciating synchronicities can enhance our understanding of our journey and our relationship with the universe. Can you recall a recent synchronicity in your life? What did it signify for you? The law of abundance. The universe is inherently abundant, and the law of abundance assures us that there is enough for everyone if we align ourselves with this abundance and operate from a mindset of generosity rather than scarcity. This law challenges us to shift our focus from lack to plenty, opening ourselves to receive and share the abundance that flows through the universe. Embracing this law can transform how we approach our aspirations and interactions with others. What changes might you make to live more abundantly? The law of evolutionary progress. This law suggests that every entity within the universe is on a path of evolution, constantly evolving towards higher states of being. For humans, this means an ongoing journey of spiritual, mental, and emotional growth. The law of evolutionary progress encourages us to see life as a series of lessons and growth opportunities, pushing us towards greater understanding and capabilities. How do you perceive your own evolutionary journey? What lessons are currently shaping your path? By embracing these additional laws, along with the previously discussed ones, we create a comprehensive framework for understanding our place in the universe and the dynamics at play in our lives. These laws offer not only insights into the nature of existence, but also practical guidance on how to align ourselves with the forces that shape our reality.